Yes. Hey, fish jumping. Fish. Hey,
This
monos.
mountain that we have on our right in the background and where these monkeys are known as Cerro Tortuguero or Tortuguero Mountain. And they thought that this mountain is what left over from a volcano.
Ah.
And they had to say that the main reason for the marine creatures started to come here is because of this mountain,
Yeah.
which they travel by magnetism and by being left over from a volcano, it has a magnet attraction. That's what they thought that.
The bird?
So the turtles, the sea turtles, they come to this beach because of the magnetism.
Monkey
Like, just like the penguins with the throat, with the...
There you go.
You ever climbed that hill? Many times. When I was a kid.
I was going to say,
Not,
if I was born here, I know I'd
for
be
the
on-
last, it's closed for the last 5 years. We used to jog up on that hill when we were kids.
I know I've been on top of the first time I came.
Yes. Like 3 o'clock, in all this debris, there is an hinga.
Right there?
Yes. Anhinga or Florida bird.
Oh, I see.
Yes,
Oh, right there. It was stretched. Yeah. He's drying his wing. Yeah, I saw those in Florida doing that. That's cool.
There he goes. He's putting on a show for us.
Yeah.
El tío de usted, y usted nunca me acordé.
Wow. So the current comes through here, huh?